Hello, everyone. Today I'll explain how to fix passport application delays in 2026. Many applicants panic when their passport takes longer than expected, and most delays happen for very common reasons. First, understand normal processing time. Routine passport applications usually take several weeks. During peak travel seasons, delays are normal. Next, check your passport application status online. Always use the official US State Department passport status page. Enter your details exactly as submitted. Now look at common delay reasons. Missing documents, unclear photos, payment problems, or incorrect information often cause delays. Even a small mistake can slow the process. After that, check your email and mail regularly. The passport office may ask for additional documents or corrections. Respond as soon as possible to avoid further delay. If your application is outside normal processing time, contact the National Passport Information Center. Provide your name, date of birth, and application details. They can explain what's causing the delay. For urgent travel, consider expedited processing. It costs extra but speeds things up. Proof of travel may be required. If travel is within 14 days, try to schedule an in-person passport appointment. This is only for urgent cases. Slots fill quickly. So yeah, passport application delays usually happen because of high demand, missing documents, or verification checks, and fixing them means tracking status, responding fast, contacting support, and using expedited options when needed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next guide.